Hello students, standard 6th in maths, chapter number 3, playing with numbers. Now in this chapter, almost everything that is necessary we learn about the numbers, like the factors of the numbers, multiples of the numbers. Then we learn some like the properties which is regarding to the factors and the multiples of the number. And also we learn the prime numbers, composite numbers, and some divisibility test, divisibility by number 5, 10, 2, 3, 6, 9, 11 and so on. Then we learn about the HCF and LCM of two or more than two numbers. So now we already learned how to find the LCM and HCF of the numbers. So now we are going to learn about some problems on HCF and LCM. Problems, it means that the word problems will be given. It means that it will not be given that what you have to find either HCF or LCM. Not directly will be given, but according to the situation, according to the things they asked, you have to decide whether you have to find the HCF of the given numbers or the LCM, and then you have to find whatever is required. So in exercise 3.7 we are going to learn about that. So it is not so difficult, but it needs some attention, because sometimes a small word can tell you that either you have to find the HCF or LCM. Let's see the question number 1. It says that Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizer of weight 75 kilogram and 69 kilogram. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of fertilizer exact number of times. Now here, according to the situation, there are two ways to understand that either you are going to find HCF or you are going to find LCM. First thing is that, and you have to check both the things actually. First thing, you have to find out the word highest or maximum. Then most probably, but not always, most probably you will have to find HCF. And if there is smallest, least, lowest, that word is used, then most probably, but not always, you have to find LCM. Similarly, other things also you have to remember, that the answer will be smaller than both the given numbers or greater than. If it is smaller than, then you have to find HCF. But the answer will be bigger than given all numbers, then you have to find LCM. Here, according to the situation, it gives that she bought 2 bags of fertilizer. One is of 75 kilogram, other is 69 kilogram. And we have to find the value of the weight, maximum value of the weight, which can measure the weight of fertilizer exact number of times. So here, the answer cannot be more than the highest number. It must be smaller than, it means we have to find HCF. Similarly, here we get the maximum also. Therefore, we have to find HCF. So here, we have to find HCF of 75 kilogram and 69 kilogram. So we know that is the base to make. We have to find the prime factorization. 75 is not divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 25 3s are 75, 5 5s are 25, and 5 1s are 5. Then the other number is 69. 3 13s are and 13 1s are. So now 75 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, and 69. What is 69? 3 multiplied by 13. So here you can see that is the only common factor. Therefore, HCF is equal to 3. Therefore, the maximum value of the weight required is 3 kilogram. Because the highest common factor of that two numbers came 3. So here actually it is 23. My mistake. Sorry. So here, but answer will be the same 12. So here 23 is the prime number. So 23 3s are 69 and HCF will be the 3. So here the maximum value of the weight required will be only the 3 kilogram. So if you have a weight of 3 kilogram, then you can get the exact number of times fertilizers can be weighed and there will be nothing left. Because you see that 25 3 is 75. So 25 times we can weigh 3 kilo, 3 kilo, 3 kilo, 3 kilo. Similarly, here 69 means 23 times we have to weigh 3 kilogram, 3 kilogram. Then it is finished. So by this way, we have to find is the HCF of the two numbers. Let's see the question number 2. 3 boys step off together from the same spot. from the same spot. Their steps measure their steps measure 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter and 77 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance? What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance, in complete steps. So here maybe you will read properly, then if you will read properly, then you will find a word which can be tell you what is the we have to do, like HCF or LCM. Here you can see the minimum distance. It means that you have to find LCM. And here we will see that they have to one step measure 63 centimeter, one step measure 70 centimeter, one step measure 77 centimeter. It means the answer will be more than that also. And therefore also we have to find the LCM of the given number. So here we have to find the LCM of the given number. Here we have to find LCM of 63, 70 and 77. Now we know that to find LCM, we have to write them all together in the one row. 63, 70 and 77. Now first 70 is even number, so it will be divisible by 2. But 63 is not divisible by 2. 77 is also not divisible by 2. So they will be keeping together as it is. And 35 2s are 70. Now the number 63, it is divisible by 3. So we will write down here 21 3s, but 35 is not divisible by 3. 77 also not divisible by 3. Again it is divisible by 3. So we have to write down 3 7s are 21, but 35 not divisible, 77 not divisible. Then we can see that 35 is divisible by 5. So 7 is not divisible, 5 7s are, 77 is also not divisible. Now you can see all of them are divisible by 7. 7 1s are, 7 1s are, and 11 7s are. And lastly 11, then 1, 1 and 1. So LCM will be the multiplication of all this number. So LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 11. So here 2 3s are 6 3s are 18. 18 5s are 90. 90 multiplied by 77. 11 7s are 77. 77 multiplied by 90. So we will multiply 77 by 9 and keep that 0. So the LCM is 6930. It means that minimum how much distance they should cover? Everybody must walk 6930 centimeter. So all must walk 6930 centimeter. So by this way we can find either the HCF or LCM so that the required answer can be obtained. So as I told you, you have to find out the either one word like maximum or minimum, or you can see that you have to think about it, that if the answer will be smaller than the numbers or it will be bigger than the numbers. If it is smaller than the numbers, HCF, bigger than the number, then we have to find LCM. So here we are going to finish today's session, and it will be followed by PDF, maybe some more examples for you to do yourself, and any problem write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.